and body in shape. Let's get fit, have some fun. Count to 100 by ones. Get ready to exercise and count. Stretch your arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stretch your legs. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Pump each arm up. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29.
Oh, did it stop for you guys too or just me?
And 30. Do arm circles. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Shoulder shrugs. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Pump elbows back. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Do windmills. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Walk in place. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Now jog in place. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Clap up high. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Count to 100 every day. Keep your mind and body in shape. Let's get fit, have some fun. Count to 100 by ones.
That guy, he's so wacky. I just like him. I just enjoy that wackiness. Max, do you have a question?
You were frozen when we were watching the videos.
I know. You know what? Those are just technical difficulties dealing with internet and everything else. Miranda?
Our internet was acting out.
I know, that happens. Okay, Hayden.
Mine too.
Here's two.
I was wondering what we were going to do today.
You know what, Hayden? How about you let me do it and then you'll know. Won't that be cool? You'll know because we're doing it right then. Okay, so we are still working in Module 1. And we're going to be talking about Lesson 20 today. And we're still going to be practicing doing number bonds. I know Miranda is so shocked. I can't believe we've done that many lessons. It's crazy. We're going to be doing number bonds. Okay, and we're going to do a number problem today. Uh-oh, Hayden keeps leaving our meeting. Okay, Laura, we're going to say Laura here. And we're going to make my little number bond so I know what I'm doing. Laura has 5 fish. So far, my number bond looks like this. Her mother gives her 1 more. Laura's brother, Frank, had 1 fish. So Frank has 1 fish. Their mother gave Frank 5 more. Laura cried, "That's not fair. He has more fish than I do." We've got our number bonds here. Can we solve these problems to see if they have, hold on, keep your answer in your brain, to see if we can help show Laura the truth and see if Laura understands. Miguel, don't write it on your finger, buddy. Do you have your work to write on? Hey, all right. So I should see number bonds. I should see a 5 and a 1 and a 1 and a 5. And then let's do that work together. Owen, I don't know if you're there. I can't see you. Okay, can you tilt your camera down a little bit, Owen? Your head's down low where I can't see you. If you tilt your camera down a smidge, then I can see your face and what you're doing. Okay, so we have number bonds. Now let's do the work. Over here, we've got a 5 and a 1. Which one's bigger, 5 or 1? Show me on your fingers. Show me on your fingers. Show me a 5 or show me a 1. Oh, good. I see everyone has a 5 on their fingers. Great job. 5 is bigger. So I'm going to put that number in my head. Bloop. I like to make sound effects because it's more fun. Bloop. And then I have 1 on my fingers. So I go 5, 6. Right? Very good.
That on the yesterday meeting.
Okay, so Laura has 6. And wait a minute. Frank has 5 and 1 also. So if I did the same, I put 5 in my head again. Bloop. And I put 1 on my fingers. 5, 6. Wait a minute. And we know that in addition, we can add in any order. So if I have 5 plus 1, that is going to equal the same as if I have 1 plus 5. Do you think that writing this problem down and showing Laura would help her understand that she and her brother have equal numbers of fish and she doesn't get mad? She doesn't have to get mad? Do you think that would help her? Would it help you guys? Yeah. Right. So this is the problem you guys should have had on your work also at home. Okay. Very good. So today we're thinking about those matching number sentences. Okay, we're thinking about matching number sentences. Great job. I saw lots of good work. Max, I saw your good work. Thank you. You can erase if you are using a whiteboard. If you're not using a whiteboard, you're using a paper, don't bother erasing. Just keep going. Okay, all right. If I had 3 plus 5, do you know what my matching number sentence would be where I just flip it around? Who can tell me that? Miranda?
Can you flip it around?
Uh-huh. And what would that be?
5 plus 3.
Excellent. That is exactly what I was looking for. So if I have 3 plus 5, we know that's the same as 5 plus 3.
5.
Perfect. Right? 3 plus 5 is the same as 5 plus 3. And as we were talking about earlier, it's easier to count on from the bigger number, right? So we would put 5 in our
7,
heads.
8, 9.
Oh, Owen, could you mute your mic, please? Because I'd love to see you doing that work, but I want to be able to make sure that everybody's doing that work. Miranda, yours looks really good. Your 3s are just backwards. You just flipped them. Okay, so same with you, Max. You flipped one of your 3s. All right, I'm putting 5 in my head. 5, bloop. And I'm going to count up on my 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5 plus 3 equals 8. And that's a lot faster than if I put 3 in my head, bloop, and 5 on my fingers. If I go 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, there's a lot more time for me to make mistakes than if I put the bigger number in my head and count up. So we know we're correct because if we solve those, we have 8 equals 8, right? And that is correct. 8 is the same as 8. Okay. I'm gonna put another one on, and then I want you guys to tell me the matching one. Thank you, Max. Okay, if I have 4 plus 2, what's the other number sentence that I could write that it was equal to? I know Miranda knows. Does anybody else? Oh, Elizabeth, are you ready? Excellent. Elizabeth, I'd love to hear it.
It is 6.
Ooh, I didn't want just the equal, although you're correct. What I wanted the other number sentence that would match this. Who can tell me? Oh, hi, Cambry. Good to see you. Miranda, can you tell us the other number sentence that would go with this one?
You could flip it around.
I could flip it around. And what would I get when I flip it around?
2 plus 4.
Oh, my goodness. Miranda's on fire. That girl is on fire. She's got it. Do you guys see that 4 plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 4? Okay. Now, which one would be easier to solve? 4 plus 2 or 2 plus 4? Miranda?
Both of them.
Well, they're both easy to solve. You are correct. But when we're solving it, what's going to be easiest is putting that bigger number in our head and counting up on the littler number, right? So 4 would go in our head, bloop, and we'd count up 2. 4, 5, 6. All right. And same with here. 4 in our head, count up 2, because in addition, we can add in any order. Addition is really, really cool like that. All right. We're going to do a quick little thing. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I've got 2 groups of circles. I've got 2 groups of circles. How many do I have in my first group over here?
I can't see you.
You can't see me. Can everybody else see me? Thumbs up if you can see me. Okay, Hayden, everybody else can see me. Why don't you try leaving the meeting and coming back on?
Okay.
All right. So how many's in this group right here? Owen.
Seven.
7, very good. And how many?
No, I'm back. And one more equals 7.
Yes, very good. 6 and 1 more equals 7. How many's in this second group over here that I'm pointing to now? Max?
2.
2, very good. Now, which one is bigger, 7 or 2? Put 7 on your fingers if 7 is bigger. Put 7 on your fingers if 7 is bigger. Put 2 on your fingers if 2 is bigger.
7.
Okay, I see Max sharing 7. I see Miranda, Elizabeth sharing 7. I see Miguel sharing 7. Good job, Miguel, and Owen and Hayden. You guys are all correct. 7 is bigger. So that's the one I would choose to go first.
No,
And then
you still have it.
I'm going to say 7 plus 2. And if I were to do a little number bond of that, right, that would go over here. 7 and 2. So 7's bigger, so I'm going to put that in my head. Everybody put that in your head with me. Bloop. 7, and then I've got 2 on my fingers. 7, 8, 9. Is that what you guys got? All right. 7 plus 2 is 9. And by starting with that larger number, we make our lives a little bit easier because we have less to count up. And because addition is really cool, we can add in any order, right? I want you guys to say that with me. We can add in any order. Oh, I saw Elizabeth saying it. I think I saw Miranda saying it. I think Samuel's just chewing gum. I don't think he's saying it.
2, 9.
All right, we can add in any order. Very good. But we're practicing starting to add from that larger number because it makes our lives a little bit easier. First graders, you guys are awesome. Give yourselves a kiss on the brain. Pat yourselves on your back for all your hard work. I appreciate you working with me today. I'm going to have to grab my cord really quick. First graders, I'm going to put on a song. You guys may stay or you may, and listen to the song, or you may go. Thank you, Owen. Good work. Second graders, you guys stay on.